तुमकां सगल्यांक आनी एक पावट माये मोगाचो येवकार आनी नमस्कार. म्हजें नांव ब्रुनो फेर्नांडीस. काल आमी एक व्हिडिओ केल्लो ह्या मारेकार कोविड-19 वयर झूज मांडपाक आनी आमची बॉडी इम्युनिटी वाडोवपाक. आमी आमला नांवाच्या एका प्लांटाचेर हो व्हिडिओ केल्लो. आमचो आयुर्वेदीक सेंटर जो आल्दोना नाशनला विलेजीन आसा, बोगनविला हर्मिटेज, आयज आमकां आनी एक उमेद येता तुमच्या फुडल्यान आनी एक मेडिसिनल प्लांट जे वनस्पतीन आसा ते तुमच्या फुड्यान हाडून हाजी तुमकां थोडी आनीक म्हायती दिवपाक. आयज परतून आमच्या बराबर आमचो डॉक्टर जिजीत आसा. वो तुमकां ह्या झाडाचेर, ह्या मेडिसिनल प्लांटाचेर म्हायती दितलो आनी आमी हाजो कहो वापरूंक करूंक शकता आनी आमची बॉडी इम्युनिटी वाडोवंक शकतात. नॉट ओन्ली टू फायट कोविड-19 बट इवन अदरवायज दुसरे वाटेनी आमी आमचे कुडीची शक्ती कशी वाडोवंक शकतात आनी पावसान पासून दुयेंसां येतलीं हाजे वयर आमी कशे झुजूंक शकतात.
Thank you, Mr. Bruno. So we are here again. Today I'm going to show you how a Gurji plant will look like and how we can use it. So why we selected Gurji plant? Because this is one of the plant which comes to any doctor's mind when we say that any kind of such pandemic situation, because it boosts the immunity and it has a lot of preventive capacity. Here we have a specimen of a Guduji plant. I'll show you. This is mostly used as medicinal, this variety, this particular variety. And if you look, the leaves look in a heart shape, and here we have some stem cuttings also. How to identify this plant is, if you look at the stumps, it has this thorn like structures and the skin is very delicate, so you can actually peel the skin and see the greenery. And other way we identify this plant is with a horizontal stem cutting. If you see that it looks like the wheels. I don't know whether you can see it in the camera, but yes. Okay, now I will also show you a wild variety so that you will not get confused with the actual variety of medicinal plant and the wild variety. As I said, I will show you the wild variety of Guduchi. So this creeper is commonly seen in Goa. See, the leaves looks exactly in the heart shape, and even the stem looks very similar to what we have seen before. But the only difference is, if you look at the leaf is little velvety and it has some fur. That is the main difference how to identify the wild variety of Guduchi and the actual variety of Guduchi. So the actual variety of Guduchi, if you look at the leaf is not velvety, it is very shiny leaf. It's like, it has some kind of wax coating, something like that. If you look at this leaf, see, it is slightly different. It is slightly smaller in size and it is little shiny, and there is no such velvety appearance on the backside. So this Guduchi plant is a shrub which is in the creeper form, and it is commonly seen in Indian subcontinent, and it grows everywhere in India, and it is available in almost all the weather conditions. The medicinal part of this plant is the stem. So usually, just to boost your immunity, what we recommend is take a stem cutting of the size of your index finger. You can just crush it. If you are getting the fresh stem, you can crush it, put it in the water, just boil it and have it in the morning. Of course, with the other ingredients like amla, dalchini, tulsi, pepper, turmeric, and yashti madhu, because these all herbs will help you to boost your immunity. So instead of having a cup of tea, this can be a habit, like make a cup of tea with these herbs and have it every day in the morning. So it will definitely help you to boost your immunity. Why this is so important at this time? See, we are in a situation where the COVID-19 is spreading very fast in our village. So just grab whatever is available, like the herbs which is blessed by God to India, these herbal plants, and just make something like a herbal tea and have it. When it's ideally recommended to have it in the empty stomach in the morning. We will also try to understand some of the common ingredients which will help us to boost our immunity. So here we have commonly known as Yeshti Madhu or Glycidia glabra. Then we have black pepper, that is Piper nigrum. Then we have Guduchi, which is Tinospora cardifolia. Then we have Tulasi, the basil leaves, that is the botanical name is Ocimum sanctum. Then we have commonly in Konkani known as Tiki, the Dalchini, which is Cinnamonum xylanicum. Then we have ginger, that is Zingiber officinalis. Then we have the main ingredient called turmeric, that is Curcuma longa. These ingredients, whatever is available in your kitchen, you can take in a little quantity, put it in some water and boil it for at least 10 minutes. And this decoction, this liquid, you can take every day in the morning so that it will boost your immunity and at least you have some defense against the coronavirus.
तर म्हज्या मोगाच्या गोंयच्या भावांनी भयणांनी सदमत हो आमचो दुसरो व्हिडिओ तुमकां लायक जालो म्हणून आनी हाजेर जी मॅसेज आमी तुमकां दिवंक सोदतात ती तुमी घेतल्यात आनी ही मॅसेज दुसऱ्याकूय फाकयतल्यात म्हणून जेन्ना कोविड-19चो पॅन्डेमीक टायम आसा ही डिकॉक्शन्स ज्या प्रमाणे डॉक्टरान सांगला हाजी एक च्या करून अजून आमी दुसऱ्यो वस्तू गुंतून हाचें डिकॉक्शन करून आमी आमची इम्युनिटी वाडोवन आमी हे जोईक मारूंक शकतात देखून हो व्हिडिओ तुम्ही दुसऱ्यांक शेअर करात आमचे आनीकूय व्हिडिओ येतले ते तुम्ही पळोवपाक तयार रावात हाजी आमकांय खूब खोशी भोगता जेन्ना आमी कितें बरें आमच्या समाजाक दिवंक शकतात तेन्ना तुमकां बरो लागला तुमकां हो व्हिडिओ बरो लागला जाल्यार लायक करा शेअर करा आणि तुमचे व्हॅल्युएबल कमेंट्स दिया